So across the entire site of the Wooden Boat Festival, it spans 1.3 kilometres in length, and that length of the boat festival site has about 40 different locations where bins are put. So at any one time we've got about 120 or 140 bins out. So one of the great jobs that the Scouts are doing, and they're doing it from the little Joeys who are about 8 or 10 years of age, is to supervise and help educate the public on which bin to put it in, whether it is a recycle bin, whether it's for landfill, or importantly, whether it's for a compostable bin where all of our coffee cups go.
We're at the Wooden Boat Festival in Hobart. We're showing people where to put their rubbish.
I've been opening bins for people to put rubbish in.
I've had a great time working at the Wooden Boats Festival.
It's a wonderful program, but it's all about education, and it's all about converting people's thinking about not putting stuff in a recycle bin, but in a compostable bin, which breaks down.